So I just wanted to make this video to get your opinion on vibration and noise coming from this machine. Just bought it not too long ago, and it's a lot louder than I thought it was gonna be. And I don't know, I tried reaching out to the company and they're being weird about it. So here's a Scion. I'm gonna compare the two. I'm doing it on the tray so you can kind of get an idea for the vibration and how loud it is. So here we go. I'm gonna run it at 7 volts. Off the tray, that's the Scion. Okay, let me try the other one. The Enduro from Kwadron. Do you guys own one of these? Can you tell me if that's the way it runs? Seems to be a little bit louder than all my other pens that I've owned. And also, I noticed that this part is like really loose. I'm wondering if that's what's causing all this noise. So yeah, I'm waiting for a reply about, I don't know, a refund or a replacement. They're not telling me anything. There it is again. What do you guys think?